Okay, so let's take a look at how you can connect the app sheet to Dropbox and make app out of that. So here as you can see, I logged into Appsheet and there is option to create from existing data. So here when you give a name and set the category, will take you to available sources. So let's say if I type in, let's see, my app, and we'll choose any particular app. Here as you can see, the available set of data sources are Google Sheet and Appsheet database. If you want to add new source, you will click new source and it will show you this, right? And here you have Dropbox source. Click on Dropbox and it will ask you whether you wish to connect with files and folders on Dropbox. Allow that permission. If you have limited set of files, even easier for you to view them. Click allow and go to next step. Right now, once that source is added, you can verify by going to account settings and sources. Here you have Dropbox. So now I will click app existing data, then here I will type in my app, then go with other, choose your data. Here you have Dropbox, then it will show you one of the available set of files. Here you can see that file here, right? If you want to have multiple other files to choose from, upload them and they will appear here as a source. So if I click on the file, it will create your app based on the data given and it will show you the app is ready icon, right, with the data that we just passed. Right now here I will be clicking on data. You will see all the available option, so ID, name and so on. You can choose to display it or hide it, but it will auto increment, right? All the options you have for fields here, name, profession, SSN, right? And if you want, you can also make it editable or required field, right? You just have to add that here. Then you can view the data source to which you are connected. Also you can check the available set of actions, you can automate things. Then you have settings, manage options, right? Now if I click on legacy editor option, it will show you something like this. You can go back to improved editor to view it more clearly. Save these settings, right? And once you have that, what you can do is you can click on your app, go back to dashboard, and there you will also notice your app generated. Now I will just preview it in one of the full screen to show you how it goes. Now this is preview mode, so you will have that interface instead of the editing interface that we just tried. Here you can see we have like 100 entries. Few of the entries will be mixed up as they are not aligned as such. If you click on them, it will show you the ID and so, but they are not aligned because here primary key concept doesn't go as per our CSV file. So if I say add, here you can see this entry is required, right? So I will just say 101, then I will add name, and SSN, and right Now I can save this and it will be added. Now if I want to check for that person, I can hit the name and it will appear here that we just added. So you get the idea how to connect to Dropbox and import data from there to create an app in Appsheet.